ma'am.
And to you all. I welcome you all on this sparkling Saturday morning for virtual celebrations on our own day. Yes, we are all teachers, so this is our own day. Every year, students of class 12 used to celebrate this day for us. But this year, we thought that if students are not here to arrange the event for us, then why not we do something to break the monotony of everyday course, live classes, e-lectures, practice exams, etc., etc., etc. I firmly believe nothing can stop us celebrating. So, with the permission of our worthy principal, ma'am, let us start our day with chant of Gayatri Mantra. Shruti ma'am, request all of you to please switch off your cameras and mics during the videos only, please. Dear friends, you must be missing the cards, the flowers, the Teacher's Day wishes showered upon you by the students as soon as you enter the school campus every year this day. But don't feel bad. Our students have still sent us their wishes through their e-cards. Let us have a look on them.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, we thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers.
नहीं आ रहा.
How do you feel now? These are only some of the cards. We got hundreds of such cards for so many students. Your students are still with you. You are in the heart of your students. They appreciate you. They adore you. But don't get senti. Let us have some fun. Here is a game for you. The name of the game is Scratch Your Head. Now, I request Archana ma'am to tell you about the game. Over to you, Archana ma'am.
Thanks, Shiki ma'am, for presenting the love of our children in the form of this beautiful video. Good morning, everyone, and happy Teachers' Day. I am here to play with you the game Scratch Your Head, in which I will ask some funny questions to you, and the same will be displayed on my screen. And you have to answer it by writing the correct answer in the chat box. Whosoever will write the correct answer at the earliest will be the winner of that question. And the one who will give the maximum number of correct answers will win the game. So be ready to scratch your head to answer the question. And here it is. Which alphabet is a question?
Q.
Ma'am, you have to write in the chat box. Wrong. The correct answer is
Y.
Y. Ma'am, please write down the answer only in the chat box and keep yourself mute. Thank you. The second one is which alphabet is an insect? You have only 10 seconds to answer this one and write down the correct answer in the chat box. The correct answer is B. The next question is which alphabet is a part of our body? The correct answer is I. Next one, which alphabet is a tool? Yes, the correct answer is X. Which alphabet is a drink?
So many teachers are giving correct answers.
Answer is T. Next one, which alphabet is a source of salt?
Again, so many correct answers. Sandhya ma'am was the first.
And the answer is C. Yes. Next one is which alphabet is a vegetable?
Anu Kalra was the first to answer.
And the answer is yes, right? P. Next one, the plural form of M.
Anju Pahuja, first to answer.
Yes, the correct answer is R. Now, our fun quiz, you have to tell which famous faces I have blended together. I will show you a pic of two celebrities smashed together, and it's time for you to split them up. And again, you have to write the answer in the chat box. And here it is.
Hurry up, please.
And the correct answer is Shahid Kapoor and Johan Abraham.
The DAV was to answer.
The next one is guess. Yes, hurry up. For this, the correct answer is Sonakshi Sinha and Priyanka Chopra.
Kusum Jangra ma'am was the first to answer correct.
Now the next one for you. It's very simple. And the correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik Roshan. The next one for you.
The first to answer.
Now guess this one. The correct one, Salman Khan and Vivek Oberoi.
Poonam Mungia was first to answer correctly.
Now next one.
Karishma. Karishma and Shahrukh.
And the answer is Karishma Kapoor and Shah Rukh Khan. Now guess this one.
अभिषेक उसकी बीवी का क्या नाम क्या है
Please mute yourself. For this, Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan. Now guess this one. And for this, the correct answer is Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan.
Many correct answers.
Great. Now scratch your head once again to solve riddles. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. What am I? Answer is a candle. Next one. What month of the year has 28 days? Yes, teachers, it's very simple. And the answer is all of them.
Sumedha ma'am was the first ma'am to answer.
Me.
Next one. What is the full of holes but still holds water? A sponge.
Geeta ma'am,
Next
Science.
one. Great. Next one. There is a one-story house in which everything is yellow. Yellow walls, yellow doors, yellow furniture. What color are the stairs? There are not any because it is one-story house.
Hats off, Kusum ma'am.
Next one. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Next one.
Bhumika.
What gets wet while drying? A towel.
Poonam Mongia ma'am was first to answer.
What can you keep after giving to someone? Your word.
Answers.
Next one. You see a boat filled with people, yet there is not a single person on the boat. How it is possible? Because all the people on the boat are married.
No correct answers.
Teachers, scratch your mind fastly. Next one.
Mine is right.
I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I?
Oh, like,
A bank.
Yes, Naitik Shiksha DAV. Correct answer first.
Next one. The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it? Darkness.
Vikas sir.
Great. Next one. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? Your shadow.
Savita ma'am was first to answer.
Let's see the next one. What is black when it is clean and white when it is dirty? All of us use a chalkboard. What gets bigger when more is taken away? A hole.
Pooja ma'am was first to answer.
And here is the last one. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person cannot hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? Your breath.
Yes, so many correct answers again.
I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for your active participation. Over to you, Shikhi ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Archana ma'am. कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, चाहे जो भी हो, हमसे प्यार भी करते हैं वो, कभी ना पाएंगे तुम्हें, क्योंकि अपने गम को भुलाकर हमारा भला चाहते हो तुम. These are the feelings of your students. Let us have one more video made by the girls of class 12th.
जब आए थे तो तुम्हें देखकर एक घबराए थे। कौन है ये सोचकर मन ही मन गुदगुदाए थे। हमारे लड़खड़ाते कदम तुम्हारी ओर चलकर आए थे। तुमने हमारी नन्ही उंगलियों को थामा, उन लड़खड़ाते से कदमों को बेहतर बनाया। खड़े रहे आंधी और तूफानों में इस काबिल बनाया। कठोर से कठोर सच कह सके, वचनों का ऐसा मेल सिखाया। जमाना कहता है कि सूरत माँ से मिली, पर सीरत तो तुमने ही दी। अब कभी जब जिंदगी के किसी अनजाने से मोड़ पर हम बोलेंगे तो तुम कहीं ना कहीं सुनाई दोगे। जब हम लड़ेंगे जीवन की अनजानी सी चुनौतियों से, इस संसार की गलत रीतियों से, तो तुम कहीं ना कहीं किसी रूप में हमारे भीतर जीवित होते दिखाई दोगे, जीवित होते दिखाई दोगे।
थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वहीं। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दोनों उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, गाने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने, है सपने बंदे ए सपने बनाने। फूल जोड़ेंगे तल तल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे, फिर ना समंदरा दे, फिर ना समंदरा दे। ऐसे खड़े है जाना पड़े ना कम हमको तो असी सिद्धते हरे जरूरी बड़े अगर के ना भूल। जिंदगी मेरी सोहारिशा, एक तुम्हें पूरी करा। एक जिंदगी मेरी सोहारिशा, एक तुम्हें पूरी करा। एक जिंदगी मेरी सोहारिशा, मुश्किल हमें रोकना।
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल।
I was holding my pencil, sitting sadly.
trying to write but feeling miserable. You held my hand and moved it till I got the hold of it. Writing those first few words led to writing this poem afterwards. From speaking in class to stepping on stage, you were always there, supporting off stage, always working without any breaks, helping us even when our head aches, smiling at us, encouraging us to do our best, working hard without any rest, making us study, sometimes even scolding us. We know you don't love us any less. The euphoria I feel after remembering all this makes me believe that in your embrace, I'll always experience bliss.
For the world, the day started with sunrise. But for us, meeting you was the real time. The world, one of your students. Yes. Get up, guys. One more very interesting game for you. And the name of the game is Treasure Hunt. Now I request Vikram Mansar to tell you about the game. Over to you, Mansar.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my dear colleagues. These 12th class girls, they presented such a beautiful, touching, and such a sweet kind of presentation. It was touching. And the reminiscence of memories, they took us back into nostalgia. Nobody thought that why we would be sitting and celebrating Teachers' Day like this. But with none of our choice, this unprecedented situation of COVID-19 has put not only us, the whole world in such a situation. But the optimistic thing is that we are still connected. We are doing and will do the best possible for our students. We are all in such a situation that accept this connectivity through online without any other alternative. But we will keep on, still many minutes to go, and we'll cover that. Now, before further, I have the responsibility of presenting or making you all a part of the game called Treasure Hunt. This is basically a game where you have to find articles which are around you in your own homes. We are all in our own homes. And whenever I say or name any article, you will be given a specific time, and that is 30 seconds. And whosoever comes first with the article and announces it, shows it on the screen, will be the winner. Well, my special good luck to gents, because most of the time, they are in such a situation that what is where in the house, they are often dependent on their counterparts. So special, good luck to them. For this, I told you we will have 30 seconds, and the winner will be one who present the article at the earliest. Well, there can be a question of confusion also. there can be a very minute difference in presentation, presenting the article. So in that sense, Mr. Chitrakumar, Mrs. Khurana, and Sikhi ma'am, there will be the final binding judges who will decide at the very minute difference that who showed the first one. Okay. And the time 30 seconds will be recorded, taken into consideration by Sikhi ma'am. She will take care that 30 seconds is over, and at that time, otherwise most of you, I hope, present your article before that time. I hope we should begin now.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Before the start of the game, all the members of Team DAV Thermal are requested to switch on their camera.
Yes.
The camera is off and you have served that article, even then you'll not be able to present to the judges.
Exactly.
Switch on your camera first, then start the game.
Right. I hope you are all
Over to
ready
you,
now.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Now, my first article for you is very useful things, but most often we keep these things here and there, and when the time is there, we keep on asking where I left that. Article is a nail cutter. Your time begins now.
सर रिपीट करो क्या बोला है?
Nail cutter.
Yes, ma'am. I have shown.
Okay. Poonam, I think Poonam ma'am is the first one to show. Who is the Poonam ma'am? Your name is there before nail cutter, Poonam ma'am. Maybe when we are there in the school reopens, I request ma'am that she give prize also. That Poonam is the winner for this one. My next article is a black pen.
What? Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think Alka ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
If I'm sure, Alka ma'am, yes. Next article.
I too showed it within a second, sir. Here it is.
Pardon, Kusum ma'am?
I said I showed it within a second because it lies with by my side only.
Okay, they are often, here and there only. Next article is scissors. Now you have to run off.
Yes.
Okay, Poonam ma'am, are you having scissors on the table?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? You are doing some sort of... Okay, Poonam ma'am goes for scissors, second time.
Sir.
Okay,
Caesars में
pardon?
Yes, sir.
Already, Poonam ma'am, she's having scissors all the time on her table. Maybe she's doing some cutting work, paper folding.
करो, पेपर लीक हो चुका है, पता करो.
No, ma'am, paper is not leak. Actually, these are common. Teachers usually teaching up to 8th class, they need these scissors most of the time, for their own children and make certain articles from paper and all that. No problem. And I'm sure paper is not, not leak. There is no leakage in the paper. My fourth article is needle. Now,
Needle.
Poonam ma'am, do you have it on the table? Time is running. Hurry up, please. Okay, Geeta ma'am. Can you speak closer? This is a needle.
It's the complete box is having.
Geeta ma'am is having
Yes, sir.
Come on, sir.
Needle.
Geeta ma'am. Right ma'am. हो गया. Thank you. हो गया Geeta ma'am. Okay. Now, Gents, get ready. Deodorant. Deodorant.
Video stuck.
The next.
Okay, Seema Ahuja, ma'am. Is it, deodorant? Bring it closer, please. Right.
Sir, I didn't hear.
This time
Sir, smiling here.
Okay,
I missed.
sanitizer. Okay, Seema ma'am is the winner for deodorant. Now the next article is rupee.
नहीं
A 10 rupee coin. Chitrakumar sir, bring it out from your purse.
Vikraman sir, can I show 2 5 rupee coins?
No.
Five
Already
I'm also having, see. I'm also having.
Okay, winner is Anjum.
Please
Now,
mute
next
yourself.
article
There is lot of disturbance. Please mute.
Okay, the next article is a necktie. A necktie.
Or what?
Tie.
Necktie is very far away. I'm not going
You have to run for that. Okay, Manisha ma'am. Necktie is very close to you. Okay, Manisha ma'am is the winner for this.
Manisha, ma'am.
Back to back.
Now, the next one is very unexpected. In this, weather, a pullover. A pullover.
Lower.
पैक होके अंदर रखे हुए निकलेंगे नहीं 30 सेकंड में
Don't worry, ma'am. That is what I told.
He is going to open the box.
Got it.
Many of you have, Nafisa ma'am, just brought it out. Nafisa
Sunny
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Nafisa ma'am. Okay.
Sir, I have
Now-
brought. See.
Already,
I brought-
Nafisa ma'am got it. Okay, no problem. A washing brush. A washing brush. Okay, Neelam Arora ma'am has gone to bathroom.
Poonam has brought it.
Aarti.
I have told
Aarti ma'am. Aarti ma'am.
Yes.
Neelam ma'am, you got it.
But you late कर washing brush.
नीलम अरोड़ा मैडम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया बाथरूम दूर था okay. Next article is an electric multi-plug. Okay, just on the top of the table.
जिसमें बहुत सारे स्विच लग सकते हैं वो अपने उसमें है.
Neelam ma'am, you got it. No problem. Yes.
Extension.
Seema Ahuja, ma'am. Sorry, Seema Ahuja, ma'am. This is also Seema Ahuja, ma'am.
Should we take multi-plug and extension are different?
That is. Yes, Seema Ahuja, ma'am is doing that.
Okay then. Seema Ahuja. No. Sorry, Neelam. Okay.
Now I came to know the difference between both. Thank you.
Actually, this is also multiple. But this is
I think the same.
right. Now the next is a black and white photo.
Black and
Photo.
black and
Black and white passport size photo है किसी के पास में नहीं. Alka ma'am, sir, Anju's colored, I think. Alka shown.
Upender sir,
Can you see?
Upender showing closer sir. ये किसका में
Mic.
ओह, अच्छा है सर, keep it there, ये चीजें मेरी हैं।
My father in the pig.
So black and white में आपका मैप विनर। देखिए जल्दी से सब आगे towards the kitchen। एक फिल्म जो सब
सर ब्रेक बन रहा है, मैं हिला नहीं सकती। नहीं तो मुझे ही खाना
सबसे पहले मेरा नाम मेरा होगा।
अभी मैंने मारा बजा हुआ है।
भी आ गया मेरा सर मेरा गेम है बिल्कुल
Okay, now let me come to yourself.
unmute yourself. Requested to mute yourself.
Please mute. तो विनर्स हुए नेल कलर में पूनम, ब्लैक पेन अलका मैम, सीजर्स पूनम मैम अगेन, नीडल गीता मैम, डिओड्रेंट सीमा मैम, 10 point. Hello. Is there any confusion? Deodorant में सीमा मैम, 10 rupees you ma'am. Nectar Nisha ma'am, Akulova Nafisa ma'am, a washers Aarti ma'am, and electric multiplex Seema ma'am, a black and white photo Alka ma'am, a balloon Aarti ma'am. So there are 2-3 people who are getting more than one winner. But you all are, we had a little fun. Thank you all. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, sir. Sir, ये treasure from house hunt ज़्यादा था, isn't it?
Yes.
For you all, this unique treasure.
ma'am.
In very care of your
Every house has
हमने मान कर पूरा घर संभाला है, हमको घर ही
That's why I get given it name house hunt.
अगर मैं इसका एंकर नहीं होता तो मैं कुछ तो जीता यहाँ पर।
One of our alumnus, Vikas Yadav, has a video to pay tribute to his teachers at Alma Mater. Let us see that video now.
All of you are requested to off your audio and video, please.
वो जगह जहाँ बड़े हुए, जहाँ हमने सीखा अपने आज और अपने कल को बेहतर बनाना। पर आज उनसे मिलने का मौका मिला, उनके बिना शायद ये सब पूर्ण ना होता। तो अब ये आज करीब से जाते हैं।
जब हम लास्ट हमारा स्कूल था और उस दिन शुरू हो गया था।
प्रिंसिपल मैम ने हमें बोला कि अब आपको वर्क फ्रॉम होम करेगा, तो हमारे लिए हम बहुत ऑन दैट डे वी वर टू शॉक्ड कि हाउ कैन start teaching from our home. Okay, the students are not in class. Okay, so on that time, on that day, we were too much surprised and shocked. But with the guidance of our principal ma'am, the guidance and the support of our IT faculty, हम काफी हद तक मैं ये कहूँगी कि हम बच्चों तक पहुँच गए और हम जो बात जो हम अपनी टीचिंग पर वे में हम बच्चों तक पहुँचा रहे हैं। We made the PPTs हम लोगों ने बनाई, उसके बाद हम उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं। तो रिकॉर्डिंग के टाइम हम लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स कई बार आ जाती हैं, जैसे सपोज हमसे एक भी गलत बोला गया तो हमारी वो पूरी जो वीडियो है वो स्पॉइल हो जाती है और हमें दोबारा से उसको बनाना पड़ता है। हमें मेरा बेटा भी इसमें मेरी करता है, हम अपने बच्चों से भी हेल्प लेते रहते हैं क्योंकि IT की हमें नॉलेज नहीं है। बहुत हमने इस पेंडेमिक टाइम भी हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा है। अगर मैं बहुत ही शॉर्ट वर्ड्स में अगर एक बात कहूँ कि इन दिस टाइम हम बाय डूइंग कर रहे हैं, दिस इज ऑल द लर्निंग बाय डूइंग। तो ये भी एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हमारा रहा और अभी चल रहा है, पर हम चाहेंगे कि जल्दी से जल्दी हमारे स्कूल खुल जाएं और हम बच्चों से स्कूल में ही जाकर मिलें।
Children grow when they explore. बच्चा तब ज़्यादा सीखता है जब वो अपने हाथ से काम करता है, और जो हमारी मेथड है प्लेवे मेथड के हम बच्चों को टीच कर रहे हैं, मेथड में क्या है कि हम बच्चों को बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिसमें बच्चा खुद एक्सप्लोर करता है और बहुत नई खुद सीखता है। बुक्स जो हैं वो हमारे टूल्स हैं, बुक के थ्रू हम बच्चों को करते हैं। प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज है वो बच्चा क्लास में बहुत अच्छे से सीख पाता है क्योंकि क्लास में उसको बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती हैं, बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करने को मिलती हैं जिसके थ्रू बच्चा बहुत जल्दी कर देता है। और दूसरी बात ये है कि बुक्स के साथ कोई भी किसी को भी पढ़ सकता है, पर जो हम क्लास में बच्चों को सारी एक्टिविटीज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उनके टॉय प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उनके जो सिलेबस से या करिकुलम से रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज होती हैं तो बच्चा करता है तो उसको ज़्यादा अच्छे से लर्न कर सकता है। बताना चाहिए कि थिंकिंग स्किल क्या है कि बच्चा खुद किसी चीज़ को कर रहा है या खुद जब एक्सप्लोर है चीज़ को तो वो बहुत अच्छे से सीखता है। जैसे सपोज मान लीजिए हमने बच्चों को क्ले दी, जिससे हमने को बोला कि कुछ भी बनाइए, तो बच्चे ने जो उसकी इमेजिनेशन से जो चीज़ वो बनाएगा उसको टीचर कैन एक्सप्लेन कि देखो ये इस तरह से तुमने ये चीज़ बनाई है या तुमने इसको राउंड शेप में बनाया है, तो बनाता है तो वो स्किल डेवलप होता है।
शायद हम समझ न सके लेकिन कोशिश जरूर कर सकते हैं। कुछ सुनाने से कुछ होने तक का सफर इनके बिना आसान नहीं, पर आज वो बहुत सी बातें हैं हम सुनते जरूर, पर महसूस शायद आज करेंगे।
टीचर्स के लिए और सारे वर्किंग वुमेन के लिए जो चैलेंज आई वो ये था कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के लिए हम लोग अपने घरों में हाउस हेल्प मेट्स को नहीं बुला सकते थे। वो हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम थी इस टाइम क्योंकि तो से ही घर में होते थे और वो बच्चे हमारे बाहर रह रहे हैं, जॉब में, वो सब घर में और वो सब वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं। बट एज ए मदर वर्क फ्रॉम होम
साथ साथ वो घर का काम भी करना पड़ा, तो दैट वाज आल्सो स्पेशली आई थिंक सो मे बी चैलेंज इज आल्सो, बट मुझे तो ये लगा ये चैलेंज एक जिसके और रहा कि हमें जो है दोनों चीज़ों का बैलेंस बना के चलना पड़ा। हमारा स्कूल जो है 24/7 ही हो गया, क्योंकि हमको कभी भी जो स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरी को सेटिस्फाई करना पड़ता है, उनका आंसर देना पड़ता है। कॉल्स का भी जब भी कॉल आती है, जब कॉल करते हैं हमको उनको आंसर करना पड़ता है। तो दैट वाज आल्सो अ चैलेंज, और इट इज चैलेंज स्टिल, क्योंकि अभी भी लॉकडाउन ही चल रहा है, ये तो अभी भी एक चैलेंज ही है। अब जो है ये जो टीचिंग हो से वर्चुअल पे आ गई। अब हमारे सामने क्या प्रॉब्लम आई एज साइंस टीचर, जो मैं स्कूल में प्रैक्टिकल्स कराती थी, मेरे पास सारे मटेरियल्स थे, हमारे पास बहुत अच्छे लैब्स हैं हमारे स्कूल में, बट घर में क्या करें? तो घर के लिए हमने क्या किया, घर में जो है हमारे किचन में कोई चीज़ थी, कोई एसिड पढ़ाने, वो हमने इसके अलावा कोई साउंड चैप्टर है, उसमें कैसे साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है, कोई हमने म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमारे घर में पढ़ा था, इस तरह से हमने यूज़ किया। कोई हमने मोशन पढ़ाना है, उसके लिए हमने घर में जैसे बॉल या बस बैडमिंटन है, उनको हमने यूज़ किया। तो हमने घर में ये सारी चीज़ें यूज़ की, और हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि हम लोग जो वहाँ पर मार्च और अप्रैल में थे, वहाँ से हम बहुत अच्छी तरह बेटर पोजीशन पे आए। इसके अलावा हम लोग ने बहुत नई चीज़ें सीखी, चाहे ये चैलेंज रहा, पर इसका एक बेस्ट पार्ट रहा कि हमने इससे बहुत कुछ नया सीखा। शायद सीख पाते, ना ही हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती और ना सीखते इसके, पर जो है इसका ये जो है हमें करते हैं, हम बच्चों की इंटरेक्शन मिस करते हैं, उनके जो है क्वेरीज मिस करते हैं, उनकी क्वेश्चनिंग मिस करते हैं, उनकी हैरानी मिस करते हैं। सारी चीज़ें हमें तो देख सकती हैं, जो उनकी क्वेरीज हैं वो हम जो है उसको उसके लिए हमें एक्स्ट्रा बुक्स पढ़नी पड़ी, जाना पड़ता है, नेट सर्च करना पड़ता है, वो चीज़ हम थोड़ा मिस करते हैं। अदरवाइज जो है ये चीज़ें हमें एनर्जेटिक भी रखती है, चाहे बच्चों से गुस्सा हो जाते हैं उनकी शरारतों पर, वो हमें एनर्जेटिक ये चीज़ रखती है और हमें उनके बच्चा बना
लगा के है, तो हमें काफ़ी खुशी हुई थी। बर्डन हो रहा है तो सिर्फ टीचर ही है जो हमारी हेल्प करा रही है। स्कूल टाइम में भी मैम ही थी जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करती थी और प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन करती थी, लेकिन इस सिचुएशन में कोई डाउट कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा हो तो सिर्फ मैम मदद करती है।
Being a mother, I know it is very difficult to handle a small kid. Online classes teachers taking a lot of interest, lots of efforts to engaging the students. I appreciate their hard work, and students also getting lots of technical things from the online classes. I really appreciate and really thankful to all the teachers.
जिंदगी में बहुत सी चीजें सामने आई, ये वो थे जिनका किरदार माँ बाप से कम नहीं।
जो हम एफर्ट उठाते हैं, हमारे पढ़ने में मदद कर रहे हैं, हमारा भी कुछ बनते हैं कि हमने बैठ जड़े पढ़ने में, जिससे मैं खराब ना जाए।
आने वाला बेहतर होगा उसको शक मत करना, जो कल भी मुस्कुराता उसके लिए बस शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ।
एक्टिविटी कर दिया सबको? स्कूल की याद आ गई? पिक्चर भी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. We have one more very interesting game for you. Guess work, guess word. Ma'am will tell you the rules. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shikha. Yes, I'm not so good at drawing. Even then, I will be drawing some stuff in front of you. And these that you have to guess what it could be. The one who will guess the word first will be the winner. So don't be shy to type the words in chat box because as Amitabh Bachchan has said, fastest finger first. Better get ready to type as soon as I begin to draw. प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट मत कीजिएगा, चैट बॉक्स में ही लिखिए और मैं अपना डम्बो यूज करूंगी तो मैं देख नहीं पाऊंगी. मैम प्लीज आप देखिएगा. The first word is my screen visible?
No.
Now is it visible?
Yes.
The first word.
Yes, keep on guessing other words.
The word is happy. Any guesses?
Yes, many teachers are correct. Geeta ma'am, first answer.
Teachers' Day. It is me. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Now the next word. Yes, any guess? Now you can guess. Fish. Yes, it is fish.
Almost all of them have guessed correctly.
Okay, now guess this word. Any guesses?
I.
No.
I.
No. Now you can guess. Yes.
Anju ma'am first to guess.
Aeroplane.
Yes, it is aeroplane. Now the science teachers can guess.
Caterpillar.
Another. Sanjula madam, try.
Many of the teachers guessed right, caterpillar. Many.
It is centipede.
Centipede. Madam, is it centipede?
This word.
Teachers are
गुड स्ट्रेन। आप तो ध्यान भी नहीं कि क्या ड्रॉ किया है। Yes, it is train. Chitra Kumar sir, now it's for you. Yes, sir.
Stump. Yes.
Cricket pitch.
Cricket.
Yes, it is cricket. Yes, anyone? All of you can guess this word. It is tap. Now guess this one. So simple.
Skyscrapers.
Buildings. Yes, it is buildings. And Moita was the first to answer it correctly. Yes, the word. Yes, so many teachers have given the correct answer. Yes, it is kite. Good. RPC team members the first. शिकी मैम नोट कर रहे हैं। नहीं सर, इतनी भी खराब नहीं है, कुछ और।
मेडिकल बेड।
बेड। Yes, guess.
Elephant.
Yeah, elephant. Don't mute yourself. Write in the chat, please. Yes, any guesses? हम 25 दिसंबर को वेट करते हैं। शिकी मैम, is there any right answer? No.
Yes, ma'am. I guess Santa.
It is Santa.
Teacher writing butterfly, angel. Many of them have written car.
Yeah, it is car.
Teddy bear, Mickey Mouse.
Teddy bear geometry ताकि लग क्या पता नहीं.
हल्का थोड़ी मैम से क्लास ले लेंगे आपको.
बहुत डांट खानी पड़ेगी मुझे उनसे. वो तो इसे बंद करके बैठ गई हूँ. देखा भी नहीं जा रहा होगा.
Teacher, it is rat, frog.
कैट भी लिख दो कोई.
Cat ही लिखा. Cat also. Yes, butterfly. Teacher writing butterfly.
Butterfly में ठीक ड्रॉ कर
Lady finger. Lady finger. One is written lady finger.
देखो लेडी फिंगर ये कैसे नहीं लग रही.
शुरू में लग रही थी मैम.
Lion, girl. Many of them are written girl.
ये तो सब बन को पता है.
Flower.
Yeah, it is flower.
Yeah. Many of them have written tree.
It is tree. मेरी ड्राइंग इतनी भी बुरी नहीं है. ठीक से आ रहा है.
National flag.
Yes, it is national flag. Now over to Shikhi ma'am.
Thank you, welcome. I hope you all enjoyed this unique day of celebration. Now, एक छोटी सी विश एक छोटे से बच्चे की तरफ से.
Present a poem for all my teachers. कभी डांट पट कर प्यार जताया, कभी रोक टोक कर चलना सिखाया, कभी काली लेट पर चांद से उज्ज्वल भविष्य का सूरज उगाया, कभी ढाल बनकर हमेशा के लिए लड़ना सिखाया, कभी गलती बताकर कभी गलती बचाकर एक सच्चे गुरु का फर्ज निभाया, कभी माता पिता की दी सलाह, कभी बना दूसरा पढ़ाया. आज कहते हैं उन टीचर्स को एक बार थैंक यू जिन्होंने हमें इस काबिल बनाया. थैंक यू.
टीचर हैं, हम भी कोरोना वायरस हैं. इसकी हिम्मत है जो हमें रोक सके. कुछ ज्यादा तो नहीं बोलते. टीचर को ज्यादा बोलने की आदत होती है ना. That's it. Now, invite Principal to give her greetings to all of us. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Shiki ma'am. First of all, you have made our day.
Thank you.
Can I please request all of Team DAV Thermal, put on your camera. I want to see your smiling faces. It is your vision, it is your shape, the senior secondary when they have tried their level best to connect us. Earlier, it was a song in the mind. It's a teacher's day. How we will wish all the teachers. And you have planned the day so beautifully. Within this 1 hour, we were feeling that we are at one place. Beautiful games played by all the members. I have seen your energy. 1 minute before we see further, for 1 minute, I want to see everyone's smiling face. Kindly put your camera on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, senior secondary wing, Shiki ma'am, all teachers, those who have been the anchors for wonderful games, all our students who have sent their beautiful videos, our alumni, our primary students, thank you all, dear students. Shiki ma'am, kindly help me, it is not visible. I'm facing a little problem here in the office. Network issue is there. Don't know why. There is. Is my screen is visible, Shiki ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Gratitude to all the teachers who have taught us. With whose contribution, today we are blessed that we are celebrating Teachers' Day. ये सब गुरु हम we are feeling very blessed that we are teachers. लेकिन हमारे उन teachers के contribution के लिए we bow our head. Life never stops teaching, and we all are learning from each other, from our students. The hard work put in by teachers have been acknowledged by all our authorities. Our esteemed director, respected Akadia ma'am, he has said telephonically a big salute to all the teachers to accept online challenge during COVID times. Our worthy Shri S. Chief Engineer Thermal Power, he has best wishes on school Facebook page as best wishes entire DAV faculty as they guide us, support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Happy Teachers Day. Best wishes for further endeavors in online teaching learning. Happy Teachers Day to you all. Innovative teaching and learning. May it be preparing e-lectures that through initially videos or our PPT supported by self-audio, easy class, OSM, live classes, preparing online unit tests, and whatnot. It is exploring full of space, a small blip on a tiny screen of our laptop or the mobile. This pandemic has given us time to plan, to prepare. We are just into the situation. As कि हमने हाथ पैर मारे, we try to manage the show. But honestly, we are missing the presence of our students in the school. Few days back, I remember when it was raining heavily in the afternoon. The scene, I was literally crying, and the scene was in front of my eyes. जब बारिश होती थी, how we have to manage the recess. में वहाँ प्राइमरी के कॉरिडोर खड़े होते थे, कैंटीन वाले वेंडर को वहाँ खड़े होते थे, नीरू मैम यहाँ सीढ़ी में खड़े होते थे, 9th के बच्चे इधर से जाए, उधर कॉरिडोर में खड़े होते थे. Repeat. Work from home for your family is really a toughest challenge. And you all have proved it. Many of the teachers have become so adept at online teaching that they have amazed themselves with their new confidence. In person has discovered a new respect, honestly, and new respect for the teaching community. On the same hand, I wonder why our society, a few handful people only, don't give the status and affection what we teachers deserve. The teacher's impact of precious growing children is potentially infinite. Teachers affect eternity. Now, it is a time to sing the praises of unsung heroes, our teachers of DAV Thermal Panipat, as well as all teachers across the globe. Happy Teachers' Day from core of my heart to every teacher. Thank you so very much. Over to you, Shikhi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Team of senior secondary try to make this day who you enjoy to your fullest. Though there might be certain technical issues beyond our control. I apologize you for that. Now let us close the program with a Shanti Path. Thank you, everyone, being a part of this program. And make principal ma'am permits, you all leave the meet. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, please. From core of my heart, it is 30, ma'am. Bus is about to. Honestly, on every single moment, कोई ऐसी moment नहीं आती पूरे दिन में जब मैं अपने actual school को सबसे. So it is 12:30. As it is Teacher Day celebration, now we can go back to our home. It's time to give the farewell again, and thank you so much. God bless you all. Safe.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you.
so much,
Thank
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you, Shiki ma'am.
Thank you.
Fabulous
Well
celebration.
arranged, well planned and well arranged.
Everyone, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Very nice celebration.
Shikha ma'am, Archana ma'am, sir, and everybody involved. It was very good. Thank you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a wonderful day spent with everyone.